In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable HTML email signature in Gmail for 2025. Creating a professional and clickable email signature is a great way to make your email stand out and deliver important contact information to your recipients. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a polished email signature in no time. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your Google account. Once you're signed in, navigate to Gmail by clicking on the Gmail link usually found in the same top right area. This will bring you directly to your Gmail dashboard. Now that you're in Gmail, look for the waffle icon, which is a grid-like button located near your account profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal the Google Apps menu. Here, you'll want to find and choose the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where you can find extensions that enhance your browsing and emailing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, type Ystamp into the search bar. Ystamp is a popular tool that allows you to create and customize professional email signatures easily. After your search results appear, locate the Ystamp email signature option amongst them. When you find it, click on the Ystamp link to open its page. With the Ystamp page open, you should see an Add button on the screen. Clicking this will begin the process of installing the Ystamp extension to your browser. Follow any additional prompts that appear to complete the installation. With Ystamp now added, you'll be able to craft a customized email signature with clickable features. Take advantage of Ystamp's intuitive editor to include your name, contact information, company logo, and even links to your social media profiles. The platform offers various template options and customization features to fit your personal or brand style. Once you've finished creating your email signature using Ystamp, head back to your Gmail settings to ensure it's applied correctly. Go to the settings gear icon at the top of your Gmail dashboard, click on See All Settings, and navigate to the signature section. Here, you can copy and paste the HTML signature generated by Ystamp. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the settings page. And there you have it, a sleek, clickable HTML email signature ready to make your Gmail communications more professional and engaging. Whether it's for business or personal use, a well-crafted email signature can enhance your email interactions. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy email.